Before the heating season, pour this simple mixture onto your radiator, and it will be clean and smell like new. Many people forget to properly prepare their heaters for winter, and throughout the year, a lot of dust accumulates inside them. However, you don't need to disassemble the radiator to clean it. Just pour a washing solution through it. In a measuring cup or jug, add 2 tablespoons of laundry powder, which effectively removes dirt. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and mix well until the powder dissolves. Place a bowl under the radiator and then slowly pour the mixture in so that it flows through its inner parts. The dirt that has accumulated there will start flowing into the bowl immediately. This is the best way to thoroughly remove dust, and the warm air from the radiator won't spread dust mites, which allergy sufferers will particularly appreciate.